Nearly 500 million animals are dead from Australia's raging wildfires. More than 12 million acres of land are scorched. Images alone can hardly illustrate the vast impact on the country's wildlife. To put it into perspective, there are 330 million people living in the U.S. Australia's wildfires have killed an estimated 480 million animals in New South Wales alone since September 2019. This estimate doesn't include frogs, bats, and insects, which would put the toll on animals much higher. Many were killed directly by the smoke and flames. Others may have lost access to food and shelter destroyed by the fires. Up to 30% of the koalas in the region may have died, according to Australia's Environment Minister. Wildlife officials believe some species may be on the brink of extinction. Experts say the wildfires are climate change-based.
Dear Australians, I'm at a loss for words during this sorrowful time, but please know that I am thinking of you and praying for peace and comfort for you and your family.
I'm sorry. I know these words are inadequate, but I am truly sorry for what you're experiencing right now. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to help.
Heartfelt condolences to all who have been affected. It is so hard to express feelings adequately, but I hope the messages of love and support will sustain the community at this time.
From Tatibalang School, want to share your grief in this time of catastrophe with deepest sympathy and condolence. Our hearts are open to you whenever you need it. You are always welcome. We wish you peace and strength during this difficult time. Our hearts are breaking for Australia, and we're praying that this will end soon.
Our hearts go out to everyone involved in disaster. God bless you all. Condolences to all Australians.